Going to take another run at some of these 1982 stickers packs. These are those jumbo packs I've showed before, and a lot of them are just kind of the adhesive that holds the wrapper together is just kind of falling apart. So we're just going to open this one here and see what we got. Some of them already came out, so it's like a sneak peek, right? We'll call it that. Got a Billy Martin managing the A's. That's kind of cool. Larry Parrish of the Expos. Dave Parker. That's Ken Landreau. Willie Wilson. There's Fernando. Was that from the series? Yep, 1981 World Series Game 3. Oh, we got there Barry Bonnell. Jim Bibby of the Pirates. Doug DeCinces. And Amos Otis. So let's see how hard these are to take apart. Watch, if you just pull up one side, they almost just fall apart. So there's the next section. Oh, we got a gold foil all-star of Rick Burleson. That's Dave Steve, right? Yeah. Oh, Hall of Famer. Got to recognize that smile and mustache. Rollie Fingers. Another Hall of Famer. Mike Schmidt. Looks like another one from, let's see. Oh, this is the 1981 AL Championship. Claudell Washington, is that? Yes, it is. That's got to be Art Howe. Gold foil, American League All-Star Rod Carew. Pete Vukovich. And Rick Cerrone. And let's see if we pull apart the next section. There's the next little double batch of stickers there. One more pack down the drain. Another playoff one. It's Gary Carter there, so that must be what, the 81 NL Championship game? Angels player. Butch Hobson. Another Hall of Famer. Jim Palmer. Neil Allen. There's Fernando's regular card. Classic Pirates, Rick Rhoden. White Sox, that Chet Lemon. Oh, it is Chet Lemon. Oh, there's one very recognizable. Hall of Famer, Willie Stargell. Ivan DeJesus. And Tom Hume. 1982 top stickers. Would have loved to keep those as a sealed pack, but with the wrapper coming apart, they had to be opened.